This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a limited slip differential, full power accessories, a CD player, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 18,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.